Jordan brand continues to expand its Restomod lineup with fresh updates, and the Jordan 4RM is not slowing down anytime soon. As the Jordan 3RM prepares for spring 2026, the Jordan 4RM remains a strong presence, now heading into its third year on shelves. This upcoming colorway keeps things clean and minimal, featuring a mix of white, black, and light smoke gray. The upper combines white canvas with light smoke gray suede, giving the shoe a balanced and refined look. A semi-translucent heel cage adds modern flair, highlighted by black Nike Air branding for a classic touch. Inside, a black lining provides contrast, while the midsole blends black, white, and light smoke gray. The infrared 23 Air unit adds a subtle pop of color without overpowering the design. Nothing about this pair is overly flashy, and that is exactly its appeal. The Jordan 4RM White Infrared 23 Light Smoke Gray is expected to release in spring 2026 with a retail price of $155 in men's sizing.